Let me show you the easiest way to remove the background in Photopea. So we have the picture of the fox here. We want to remove this fox from this background. So just when you load in your image, just go to select, remove BG. Now this selection will require you to watch an ad. So once the ad comes, I'll just skip ahead to after it. So click on remove BG, click OK. Okay, so now we have watched the video. Now it's working. Just let it work, and that's it. The image is now removed. So this is not totally perfect. So the cleanup is like this. So first, add in a bright color for the background so you can see the edges better. So from here, let's go to layer and new fill layer, color fill. Let's choose something like bright blue. Okay, move it under it. So now we can see better. Now the cleanup is like this. You use the brush tool to add parts and to remove them. But before you do that, make sure you click here. When you click on the layer of the fox, click on this one exactly, because we are doing the modification to the mask. So in case you want to undo or bring something back, you don't have to just undo. You can simply use the other color to bring it back. Now it brings me to the colors. So we use white and black. Go to the brush tool, and if the colors you are working with are different, change them to white and black, because it needs to be white and black to work. And simply right click to get the brush tools. The brush tools: size, hardness, softness, and these things. Let me show you. Now let me just make it bigger. Okay, so as you can see, this is bringing back the background. Click X to change the color, and now it will remove. And you start removing stuff like this area here. Just click and remove, click and remove. If you make a simple mistake, just do Ctrl Z, undo. Or if you want to bring back, switch the color to the other color, and it will bring back instead of removing like this. Do this to all the edges and all the parts of the image until you have the perfect one. Then you can simply just remove the background like this and export it as a PNG. So for example, here is my finished product. And that's it. That is how you remove the object from the image. If you want more editing tips, check out the link in the description for my free editing guide to Photopea. And if you want another way to remove the background, I'll put a link for that video right now on the video. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.